So today I just wanted you to give us a little bit of an insight of what it's been like to be on teprotumumab. And teprotumumab is the IV therapy for thyroid eye disease. And so I wanted you to kind of comment about a little bit about your diagnosis with thyroid eye disease and how your experience has been with teprotumumab.
Okay. So I was diagnosed with Graves' disease, and then shortly after I noticed some changes in my eyes and was diagnosed with thyroid eye disease. And my eye doctor where I live told me about a new drug that was being, they were doing trials for. So he said it wasn't available though. So that crushed my heart. And I just started doing research like crazy online, and I found you. I found your website, and I called the office, and they set up a Skype meeting for us, and I qualified. I fit all the criteria, and I was super excited but nervous at the same time. And so started the infusions.
Yeah, and you flew in for each infusion.
I did, yes.
Yeah.
Flew in every 3 weeks.
Yeah. How did you tolerate them, or how long did they last?
So there were 8 infusions, 3 weeks apart. I tolerated them very well, very well. Once in a while I'd get some sore legs at night, or maybe a little bit of a headache, but nothing major. I mean, I could still go about my day-to-day life very easily. And it was just pretty simple, just the infusion part, and it didn't last too long. It was, it was very simple, but I noticed within the second infusion a change in my eyes, which was huge for me.
What kind of change did you notice in your eyes?
So they were getting to the point where they were really like bulging. Even they looked off. One looked, not quite centered with the other, and I guess at first I kind of noticed the bulging going away, but it was so fast. I was shocked. I was actually shocked. I remember, I think it was like the 3rd or 4th time I had it done, I decided to take a picture of before, and then I took a picture of after, and I put them one on top of the other, and it was after my second infusion, and I just remember just the chills I got, and just the huge difference. I almost felt just normal again, which was huge for me because I didn't feel normal for a long time. So I actually got chills. I was super excited, and then I just bawled my eyes out because I was so happy. And that was only my second infusion. I still had 6 more to go. So
no, and that's been similar to what other people have conveyed. I mean, it's been the first non-surgical way to pretty much deal with decompression and make all the bulging and swelling really go away quickly.
It's amazing.
And I'm so glad you tolerated it well. Well, thank you
absolutely.
For sharing your story with us.
Thanks for allowing me to be a part of it. I would do it over and over and over again.
Well, hopefully you won't have to, because
definitely.
The results seem to be long term.
Yeah, there was nothing bad about it, so it was
Awesome.
very great.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.